Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In this video today we see the vocabulary related to the alphabet D. So in the previous video I have made vocab list from the alphabet A and B and now from D onwards, because with alphabet C there are not much vocab in German. So we jump to the D alphabet. You will find the previous video in the playlist and you can learn the vocabulary as I always say and note down. So today we start with the word D. We are doing series of vocabulary alphabetically. So the first word is danken. Danken means to thank. This is a verb, danken, to thank. It's a dative verb. Like I thank you. Is danke dir or is danke ihnen. Next is Deutsch. Deutsch means German. German as a language is called Deutsch. Like ich lerne Deutsch. Ich lerne Deutsch. Next is denken. Denken means to think. When you think about something. Denken. Like ich denke an meine Mutter. Ich denke an meine Mutter. I am thinking about my mother. Denken. Next is da und dort. Da means there. Dot means also there. It's synonym. Da und dot. Da we also use as a connector. Da is also used as a connector with different meaning. Damals. Damals means during those days. When you talk about the old days, like 20 years ago, 10 years before. So damals. So sentence will be in the past tense. Damals gab es einen Park. During those days, there was a park. You are talking about the past event. Something happened in the past. 5 years ago, 10 years, 20 years before. So we use the word damals. Darum. Darum means that's why, therefore. There are two more synonyms, deswegen and deshalb. Deswegen, deshalb and darum. It means therefore, that's why. For example, ich möchte einen Job bekommen. Darum lerne ich Deutsch. I want to get a job, therefore I am learning German. After darum, we write the verb. So verb is written after immediately darum, der, deswegen, okay, and deshalb. These are all synonyms. Dann. Dann means then, afterwards. When you talk about some events, one after another. First I did that, and then afterwards, later on. So dann means then. Draußen. Draußen means outside, like children are playing outside. Die Kinder spielen draußen. Die Kinder spielen draußen, outside. I hope you understand these words. So please ensure that you write these words, you learn these words in order to improve the vocabulary. Or if there is any other comment, feedback, or you know any other word with the alphabet D, please mention in the comment box so that other students can also learn. Daumen. Daumen means thumb. Daumen, thumb. We have fingers and thumb. So Daumen. There is a phrase, very good phrase. Ich drücke dir die Daumen means when we say best of luck, all the best. So there is a saying in German, ich drücke dir die Daumen. You can say in this phrase, except first one, ich, all start with the D. Ich drücke dir die Daumen. Okay, means all the best. When we say somebody all the best, we raise our thumbs up. So it's called, okay, the thumb is Daumen. Drucken. Drucken means Drucken. D-R-U umlaut. So there are two words start with Drucken. One is with umlaut, another without umlauts. So we'll see both the words. So first we'll see the word with the umlaut. Drucken means to press something, and drucken. And drucker means printer without umlaut. It means printer. We take printouts. So the machine, that printout machine is called drucker. Dunkel is adjective. Dunkel means dark, darkness, andhera, darkness. Assist dunkel, assist nicht dunkel, dunkel, dark. Danach we use as we have seen the word dan when we say some happenings or when we write a report one after another. Danach means afterwards. Afterwards, like ich lerne Deutsch, danach gehe ich spielen. I learn German afterwards. I go to play. Danach. Durst. Durst means thirst. Ich habe Durst. Ich trinke Cola. I have thirst. I drink Cola. Durst. Thirst. Ich habe Durst. Ich habe Durst. Then Deccan. Deccan means cover. When we cover, like table cover, to cover the table, to cover the bed, any other thing, when we cover something, we say Deccan, to cover. Now we move on to the next slide. I have one more slide with some more words. Datum. Datum means date. Like what is the date today? So datum, das datum. This is a noun, das datum. Daten means data. Data, some details, data, numbers, statistics. These are called daten. Der, die, das. These are three definite articles in German that you know you must have seen in first day of German class. You learn the articles. Der, die, das. It means the. All means the. Dose. Dose Cola, like can, a can of cola. Eine Dose Cola, a can of cola. Die Dose. Ich trinke eine Dose Cola. Okay, die Dose. Drehen. Drehen means to run. Like we use this word for to make a movie, to make a film. Film drehen. Huh? Ich möchte einen Film drehen. I want to run. I want to make a movie, make a film. Drehen. This is the verb. Drei. Drei is number 3. Numerical number 3. Drei. Darstellen. It's separable verb. Darstellen is trennbares verb. Separable verb means darstellen means to present. Ich stelle ein Thema dar. I present a theme. Darstellen, to present something. When you give presentation, you can use this verb, trennbares verb. Darstellen. Deutlich is an adjective. It means clear. Klar. Sehr klar. Sehr deutlich. Very clear. Ich sehe deutlich. I see clear. Deutlich. Dauernd. Dauernd means continuously. Ich sitze am Computer dauernd. I sit on the computer continuously. Ich kann nicht dauernd sitzen. I cannot sit continuously. Dauernd. Deuten. Deuten is a verb. It means to point out. Deuten. To point out. Dozent. Professor. Professor, lecturer is called Dozent. Dozent, Dozentin. Male or female. Lecturer. College lecturer. Dieb. Dieb means thief. Chor. Dieb. Diebstahl, theft, chori karna. This is Diebstahl. Direct is the English word direct. 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 Okay. Der Bus fährt direkt zum Bahnhof. The bus travels direct to the railway station. Direct. These, deezer, deezen, it means these. It's called demonstrative pronoun, these. So these are all in this video. I hope you liked it. So see you next time. Please give your feedback in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care.